ChatGPT can revolutionize how you run your business and how you create content. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 hidden features that's going to boost your productivity, save you hours, and even reveal something about yourself that you didn't even know. Here's what I'm going to cover today. How to use temporary chats for quick tasks, my top favorite keyboard shortcuts to use with ChatGPT, the search feature to help you find those long-lost chats, a fantastic prompt for self-discovery, and finally, how to remove chats from memory to keep your sensitive data safe. Let's jump in. Let's talk about the temporary chat feature. This is perfect for if you're going to do your kids' homework or maybe look for a recipe. Basically, when you use this, it is not going to save it, and it's not going to train or update the memory for your account. Let me show you how to get to it. Come over here to the pull down, and it's right here, temporary chat. So this chat won't appear in your history, and it won't use or create memories. So this is perfect for those random tasks. To disable it, just come back up to the top here and toggle this off, and you'll be back to your normal chat feed. Keyboard shortcuts are a great way to speed up your productivity, and some of my favorite ones are listed right here. Actually, it's at the top, Control-K. This is great for if you'd like to search for something really quick. So if I do that here, it'll pull up your search, and you can search your chats right from this menu. You just use the keywords that you'd like to identify. Another keyboard shortcut I like to use is Shift-Enter when I have a large prompt. This allows me to create a new line without actually submitting the prompt to ChatGPT. Another shortcut I like to use is Control-F, which is the find command. So you just type in the word, and it will search and identify that word in your feed. So I've typed in channel, and it is highlighted in this entire feed where that word is. So this could be very helpful, especially in a very large chat that you've had. This is a great tool. If you would like a copy of these keyboard shortcuts, I've got them in a post in my AI Marketing Mastery group on Skool. It's a free community for content creators and entrepreneurs to learn about marketing and AI tools to grow your brand. We've got a community where you can interact with all of our members. I create posts daily here as well as other members, and they share their ideas and what they're learning about. And if they have a challenge, they can ask the group for feedback. I also have a classroom where there are several courses here about a beginner's guide to ChatGPT, marketing strategies for growth, building your ideal customer avatar. These are all free, as well as some paid courses that will be available shortly. Now let me help you find that long-lost chat. There's a feature here. If you go to your left sidebar at the top, there's a magnifying glass. Click this, and this is the search feature where basically you just need a keyword or a phrase related to that chat that you're looking for, and you type it in here and chat will find it for you. All right, now let's have a little fun and see what ChatGPT can tell us about ourselves that we may not know. For that, I'm going to use this prompt. Tell me something about myself that I may not know. All right, this was actually pretty cool what it created. I'd be curious to see if you do this prompt. I'd love for you to post it in the comments below. I did this in my Skool community, and we had a lot of great answers. It was a great exercise. And this is a great segue into my final tip. Let's say something appeared here that isn't accurate or we don't like. Let me show you how to remove information from memory. On the right side here, click on your profile and come down to Settings. And if you come over to Personalization, there is a memory feature here, and we want to manage this. Here's my memories section, and you want to go through this periodically because the things that you're working on is what's going to populate this. And so you'll want to kind of do some housekeeping and clean this up. And really all you have to do is on the right-hand side here, there's a trash button that says Forget. Just click that and it'll remove it from memory. And this wraps up my 5 features for ChatGPT to make you more productive and save you time. Let me know which one of these tips was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.